Presenting the new Sinolift M Series 4-wheel mini electric forklift. Meeting your productivity demands requires equipment that is versatile, productive, and efficient, so you can get more done with less. With capacities ranging from 0.8 ton up to 1.6 ton. The lightweight and compact M Series forklift provides great maneuverability for operation in narrow aisles. The M Series provides an intuitive, safe, and productive operation for the user, even in the most demanding of scenarios. It all starts with a powerful AC drive and lift motors that are designed to deliver maximum performance and reliability, enabling you to move more pallets quicker than ever. The Sinolift M Series forklift offers optimum operator comfort and easy entry into the driver's compartment thanks to the large hand grips and the wide footstep. Featuring an ergonomically designed adjustable full suspension seat with lumbar support and an adjustable steering wheel. The ergonomic dash layout and LCD multifunction display ensure that the operator stays informed of the status of the forklift. Excellent all-direction visibility makes lifting and driving stress-free for the operator, along with sufficient lighting for added visibility in dark areas and for safety in the work environment. The safety of the operators and pedestrians in your facility is paramount for any operation. The M Series mini electric forklift features an auto rollback system on ramps and has a load-sensing hydraulic system that automatically adjusts to the weight being handled. When traversing over humps or uneven ground, the pitching control absorbs vibration and reduces mast shaking, helping to protect the load. The Sinolift M Series mini electric forklift reaches a maximum lift height of up to 6,000 millimeters. With a high-capacity AGM battery or lithium-ion battery, the M Series mini electric forklift runs for up to 8 hours on one charge, ensuring that you work stress-free throughout the shift. And with regenerative braking, the M Series mini electric forklift ensures that no energy is sent to waste. The forklift can be fitted with various other custom options, making sure that it is built to meet your exact material handling needs. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, the M Series mini electric forklift has been designed with efficiency, productivity, and safety in mind, with all the latest features you'd expect in a modern forklift. Get more done with the Sinolift M Series 4-wheel mini electric forklift.